So we did part A on page 141. Now we're going to do part B. I strongly recommend that you have your book open and you look at page 141. Down towards the bottom, it says part B. Suppose that the number of baseball cards is 950. 950 on the baseball cards. Find the number of football cards. Well, all we have to do with that one is find the missing number in a ratio, because there's 5 baseball for every 1 football. And what am I doing to go from 5 to 950? Well, I can do a division problem of this. 9 divided by 5 is 1. And now we got 450. 9 times 5 is 45. So 90 times 5 is 450. And that means that there are 190 football cards, because I'm multiplying 1 times 190.